Hello girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThought Zero to Hero series, Python coding on Jetson Nano. We are on lesson number 58 and I am going to show you how to change the range value in a list. In the previous lesson I showed you how to create a list, and then you also learned about indexing a list, a positive to negative and negative to positive. You can select a range. And now I am going to show you how to change the range value in that particular list which you created, right, from a specific memory allocation in Jetson Nano, right. So basically, to change the value of items within a specific range, like is 1 is to 4 or something like that, specific range, you need to define a list with the new value, right. You got to define from which value to which value you are going to change it. And this also refers to the range of index numbers where you want to insert the new value. Let me show you an example how it works and you can take it forward from there. Alright, I'm logged into my Jetson Nano via terminal. This is my terminal. Let me open the existing file, nano list.py. Alright. Now this is our old program. Let me delete this. Okay, let me give an example. This list equal to square bracket and double quote, say apple, double quote close, separate comma, and then banana, close with a double quote and then comma, and open with a double quote. For everything, guys, do not forget all the syntaxes. It's very important. Let's say orange, and then let's say grapes, comma, let's say mango. All right, now let me close it with a square bracket. Now what I am going to do, this list, okay, now I need to define. What do I define? The range 1 is to, say 1 2 3, say let me take about 2 or 3, maybe 3, right, and close bracket, equals to, and now you got to define what you want to replace that, right. Now square bracket again, let's replace that with Tom, comma, say Jerry. Okay, now let's see what happens. Print this list. Alright, now let's see what happens, guys. I hope this works. It should work because we had, the syntax seems to be correct. Let's see. Control O, enter, Control X. Let's run the Python file, python3 list.py. There you go. Can you see that, guys? You are able to remove two of the values, two of the fruits, and you are able to insert Tom and Jerry, right? And then apple, grapes, and mango remains as it is. All right, so that's what it is, guys. I hope you are enjoying with these kind of small examples and you are learning. Do please leave a comment. Do please ask me any questions you want, and do please give a like. I am going to be back soon in the next video. Bye bye.